Struggling with heavy periods, excessive bleeding during menstruation can be extremely debilitating. First of all, it is irritating, but when it is not, cannot be controlled by any means, or you have to take some strong medication and then that medicine also has side effect, and after some times, 1 or 2 cycle, it doesn't work. That time you feel helpless. And then there is a severe loss of blood, that the hemoglobin goes down, and some women or girls have to be hospitalized and give the iron infusions because of this severe depletion of hemoglobin. So this situation can be extremely painful and debilitating. What are the causes and how can you control? But before that, I want to give you a real story of somebody from Jamnagar, Gujarat, who called me for excessive bleeding. She was the girl of 22 years of age, had an excessive bleeding. It came after 2 months. Her menstruation always got delayed, and whenever it came, it didn't stop only. It took like 10 days, 15 days, 20 days. She had to take a lot of strong medication to stop it, and then again it will not come for several months. So she called me over phone and said, what can I do? Somebody gave her number. I said, I think you have PCOS. And she said, yes, I have PCOS. This is the sign of PCOS, where the menstruation is delayed, and whenever it comes, sometimes it is excessively heavy and doesn't stop for days and weeks and weeks. So I gave her this home remedy which you can use, the home remedy for menorrhagia, to stop any menstruation instantly or within 1 or 2 days. Take 1 teaspoonful of cumin powder and coriander powder. Add 1/4 teaspoonful of alum, roasted alum. Hindi में we call it fitkari. Fitkari बोलते हैं हम. So mix that in it, and mishri, khadi shakkar, 1/2 teaspoon, or if you are not in India, you can use raw canned sugar. Mix it together and drink this mixture at least 4 or 5 times a day. Any bleeding can be stopped by taking this within 1 to 3 days in general. So she had immediate relief in the bleeding, and it was stopped in 2 or 3 days. Then we started working on PCOS, balancing the hormones, and regulating the cycle slowly and steadily. Until 1 year, I treated her with diet, lifestyle changes, home remedies and herbal formulas, so that her PCOS, according to the doctor's report, was not there. Then we stopped everything, and now it is already 10 years. She got married and she got a child naturally. There is no PCOS. In PCOS, consistency is the key. You have to keep taking the herbs for a long time. The second reason for menorrhagia is fibroid, excessive fibroids, and sometimes the fibroids in endometrium canal, center of the uterus or mucous membrane, can cause severe bleeding. The polyp can also cause severe bleeding. Fibroids are not cancerous, they are benign. And you can manage them, reduce them slowly and steadily using Ayurveda. From my experience, I have done a lot of episodes of fibroid on our channel, and there are some links in the bio. But from my experience, you can reduce the fibroid little by little every 6 months, and gradually it can be controlled. But don't worry about it. First of all, control the bleeding using these 2 things in fibroid. First, home remedy which I gave for menorrhagia, cumin, coriander, fitkari. And second, Ayush Shakti's Rakta Bandh formula. Rakta Bandh formula immediately controls bleeding if you take it 2 tablets 3 to 6 times a day. And when there is no menstruation, keep taking 2 tablets twice a day. So slowly and steadily the blood bleeding is reduced. The third cause of this menorrhagia is endometrium hyperplasia, which literally means endometrium is swollen. Inside the uterus there is an endometrium lining, and during menstruation this lining is breaking, and that's how the bleeding is created. But when the endometrium is very thick and swollen, excessive bleeding happens, and particularly during menopause period after 45-50, almost more than 50-60% of women get endometrium hyperplasia because of excessive progesterone and reduced estrogen, hormonal imbalance. So in that case, you have to take something which reduces the swelling of endometrium. So menorrhagia home remedies, cumin, coriander, fit curry, Raktabandh 2 tablets 6 times a day, Uretone from Ayush Shakti 2 tablets 4 times a day. Take it for 3 to 6 months so that your swelling reduces in endometrium. And hormone balancing home remedy in all the cases helps very much. This home remedy has 1 teaspoon each of cumin, coriander and fennel powder, half a teaspoon of ginger powder, quarter teaspoon ajwain powder, and half teaspoon of salt, rock salt. Mix everything together and drink this mixture at least with water 3 to 4 times. So one time this mixture, same mixture 3 to 4 times a day. And you will see that slowly the hormones are settling down and your problems are getting reduced day by day. I am Dr. Smita Naram, co-founder of Ayush Shakti. And my purpose of life is to improve your quality of life. Share this video with your loved one, your family members. Use it in your life if you have this trouble. And I'll see you again in the next video. Namaskar.